Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be making a delicious strawberry cake out of fresh strawberries. Each slice of this cake bursting with sweet strawberries, a beautifully moist crumb and a hint of limey brightness that makes the cake tender, vibrant and impossible to resist. Alright, let's get on with the recipe. To get started, we are going to measure dry and wet ingredients. The full list of ingredients and the measurements you need are given in the description box below. Here I've got 240 grams of flour. To that I'm adding 2 full teaspoons, around 13 grams of baking powder. Keep it aside. And for the eggs, now you need 4 eggs, around 200 grams. I highly suggest you break the eggs and measure in weight, as the eggs can come in different sizes. To a separate heat-proof bowl, ideally stainless steel, add in 340 grams of sugar. To that, mix in your eggs. So we are going to cook this over a double boiler till sugar dissolves. Just break the eggs and loosen it up a bit before you start to cook it. A good tip for you here, don't let the eggs sit in the sugar for a long time, as the sugar sort of going to cook the yolk as it rests. What happens here is the sugar draws moisture and firm up the yolks. Keep the water on light simmer. Don't let the water touch the bottom of your top pot. Keep whisking continuously and steadily till sugar dissolves and the mixture becomes frothy. Once all the sugar granule dissolve, take it off the heat, wipe off the bottom of your pot to get rid of any water and transfer it to your mixing bowl. Whisk it in low speed for 2 to 3 minutes, then increase it to medium speed. Meantime, measure 120 grams of soft butter. To that I've got 1 cup of milk here. From that I'm adding half to the butter and melting them together. Back to the egg mixture. It's more creamier now. I'm gonna beat this for a few more minutes. For the buttermilk mix, to the remaining half a cup of milk, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and give it a good mix. Leave it in a warm place, or you can microwave this for a couple of minutes. It'll become thick curdle consistency like this. Alright, to the buttermilk, add 150 grams of strawberry reduction, half a lime zest and squeeze in and half a lime. Trust me, the lime and the homemade strawberry reduction here really lift up the flavor notes of the cake. Also add a drop of red gel food color to get that gorgeous strawberry color. If you don't add color here, as the cake bakes, it's gonna turn into a pale brown color. I'm using my homemade strawberry reduction. I have attached the link to that video in the description box below. Do check that out. You can make it ahead of time, keep it in an airtight container and in the fridge up to a month. Alright, the eggs, they are nearly there. I'm gonna crank up the speed and whip it for another 1 minute till it gets to thick ribbon stage. Then reduce the speed and add the flour. Right after adding flour, I'm gonna stop whipping and mix the rest by hand. So I've got my melted butter and milk mixture. To that I'm taking quarter of the cake batter and mixing it before I introduce to the rest of the batter. This is called tempering. It makes it easier to mix in with the rest of the batter while keeping the air and the volume we've just whipped into the cake batter. Gonna give it a quick mix, and to that I'm adding the strawberry buttermilk, vanilla, and gently mix the batter. I've got 3 6-inch pans prepared here, or you could bake this in 2 8-inch pans. I'm going to bake this in 470 Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Remember, baking in low temperature results in soft, moist crumbs. After 30 minutes, insert a toothpick in the center of the cake and see if it's baked. Cake layers are really soft, but more than that, I wish you guys can smell my kitchen smells heavenly right now. If you guys want to give it a go at making this strawberry cream cheese cake, the links for strawberry cream cheese frosting and the strawberry reduction I have given in the description box below. Do check that out as well. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon with another one. Until then, take care you guys.